I am an ogre.
And guess what, Princess? That's not about to change.
I've made changes for you, Shrek. Think about that.
It's real smooth, Shrek. I'm an ogre! Arr!
I've made changes for you, Shrek. Think about that.
World. Now tell me, where are the others?
Eat me! I've tried to be fair to you creatures. Now my patience has reached its end. Tell me, or I'll...
No, not the book!
I've tried to be fair to you creatures. Now my patience has reached its end.
Hello and welcome to English with Maverick. اليوم غادي نتعرفوا على واحد نيو تنس اللي هي present perfect، بالعربية المضارع التام أو الحاضر التام. هاد التنس كما تنسمعوها present يعني الحاضر فتتوقع في الحاضر. For example, I have lived here since 2005. ولكن عند استعمالات آخرين. The first one, an action or situation that started in the past and continued in the present. بحال present perfect continuous. هاد التنس فتنشوفوها ملي تنبغيو ندويو على شي حاجة اللي بدات في الماضي واستمرت معنا في الحاضر. For example, I have lived in Marrakech since 1984. عشت في مراكش من 1948. An action performed during a period that has not yet finished. معنى أنه واحد الأكشن اللي داز واحد المدة وباقي ما كملش. For example, he has been to the football stadium twice this week. مشى الفوتبول ستاديوم اللي هو المدرج 2 المرات هاد السيمانة. However, بالنسبة لنا حنايا هاد الأكشن باقي ما كملش لحقاش ما عرفناش واش باقي غادي يمشي 3 4 حتى 5 المرات. For the form فغادي نبداو بالسبجect I and you plus have plus the verb plus pp. Have worked. He, she and it has plus the verb pp. Has worked. They and we have plus the verb pp. Have worked. بالنسبة ل P and P فتنقصدو بها ال past participle. بمعنى أنه عندنا two options. يا غادي يكون عندنا الverb اللي هو regular ولا الverb irregular. معنى أنه regular verbs فهما مجموعة ديال verbs اللي تنزيدو لهم ed في الآخر. For example, work تتولي worked. play تتولي played. بالنسبة ل irregular verbs فهما مجموعة ديال القواعد اللي خاصنا نحفظوهم. For example, غادي نشوفو see تتولي seen, speak تتولي spoken. For the negative form again غادي نبداو بالسبجect I and you غادي نزيدو لي have not plus the verb in the past participle ولا haven't كشورت. For example, I have not worked or I haven't worked. He, she and it has not plus the verb ولا كشورت hasn't. Has not worked, hasn't worked. They and we have not plus the verb or haven't. They have not worked or they haven't worked. For the interrogative form this time غادي نبداو بهاف هي الأولى غادي نتبعو ليها subject. وبالنسبة ل he, she and it فغادي نبداو قبل منهم بhas. And of course they and we غادي نديرو معاها have. So have or has plus subject plus the verb in the past participle. For example, have I worked? Have you worked? Has she worked? Have they worked? وما نساوش question mark. This tense is an easy tense. خاصنا غير نحاولوا نطبقوها في exercises ونراجعوا ال irregular verbs. Thank you for watching. Maverick is out.